guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna make it quick. I'm in my car. I got time between clients, so I'm gonna make a quick video on the 5 skin types. And I decided to make the video because I've spent a lot of money on skincare products. I know you guys probably spent a lot of money on skincare products, and it was basically a waste of money, honestly, because I felt like everything I bought, whatever I bought, it was not working. One, I didn't give certain products enough time, as I learned when I got older. And then two, it was just, I didn't know my skin type. So I'm going to give you guys an example. My skin type is oily. So a lot of oil, overproduction of oil is going to cause acne. So me, I'm buying products to get rid of my acne, but my skin was still oily. So, you know what I'm saying? That didn't help any. So right into it, we're going to start with oily skin. Oily skin, you're going to see large pores. Your skin is going to look shiny and thick. You're going to have breakouts. Clogged pores, obviously, is for oily skin. So that's oily skin. Then you have normal skin. Normal skin, few breakouts. You have a good balance between oil production and moisture. And your pores are small to medium. So that's normal skin. So we did normal, oily. Dry skin is delicate and sensitive. Your pores are small and you do not have enough oil production in the skin. So that's dry skin. Then you have mature skin. You'll see fine lines and wrinkles, a lack of elasticity, so that tightness that you want, you're not going to see. Your skin is going to be loose and thin, and like I said, fine lines and wrinkles for mature skin. And then lastly, you have combination skin. Now combination skin is going to be oily and dry, and in the T-zone areas you're going to see large pores. So guys, take a good look in the mirror, analyze your skin, your chin, your cheeks, your forehead, your nose. Take a look at your pores. Are my pores small? Are my pores large? Are they clogged? You know what I'm saying? And that'll help you to understand what type of skin you have, so that you can control and help with the condition of your skin. So me, my skin type is oily. My skin condition was acne, and once in a blue moon I'll get acne, but once I cleanse my skin with my cleanser, and if you did not see that video, go check out my first video on the ingredients that I use to make my cleanser that helped to get rid of my acne, control my oil, and that's about it, guys. So guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit the notifications bell, leave a comment.